Hello guys, and welcome to my vlog. For today's episode, I'm going to show you a bird that nested in our balcony. And as per observation, the nest is very exposed to the elements like the wind and the sun. So in order to do something, in order to prevent that, I think I need to step up and build something around the nest in order for the exposure to be minimized. And this is the nest, guys. So that's the bird's nest. It is well exposed to the elements, the sun and the wind, especially in the morning. Because the sun rises that side, so this area here will be very sunny. So I think I need to step up and do something for this mother bird. So hello guys, I'm now here at the vicinity where I will pick up the materials that will be used in the nest for protection. So if you can see at my back, those are grasses. I don't know the name, but they are very effective, you know. So yeah, that will be our material, guys, because as much as possible it should be natural. The material should be natural. So yes, we're going to pick some now. So that's it, guys. We already gathered our materials for the nest building. No, not nest building, but for the beautification of our nest. So we already had the materials. So let's go back home. So now that our materials are here, are prepared already, so we're going to attach this one to the nest itself. So yeah, let's do this.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. day. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Cause you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
I need help, I'm going through hell. I fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Cause you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
So there you go, guys.
As you fade away.
So there you go, guys. This will be the best protection from the elements. See? The mother bird is still there, but she's not that apprehensive anymore because of this cover, you know. So yeah, that's it. So this is the final product, guys. This is the final product.